Hi, welcome to my channel. Day 14 of 3 words and expression of a 100 day. Today we are going to learn 请客、吃饭、聚会。The first one, 请客。七迎请客客请客请客 means treat. You can see it's on my dinner is on my treat. 我请客请客Dinner is on me. It's my treat. 请言字旁 and 请宝盖头个请客treat. Next one, 吃饭吃饭吃饭 means eat. 吃饭 If you want to greeting with a Chinese, you can say, Have you eaten yet? 你吃饭了吗？吃饭吃口字旁饭吃饭 eat. 请客吃饭 Next one, 聚会聚和微会聚会 means party. 聚会聚会 party 聚a little complicated 聚会人 This is 云 cloud 聚会 party party time 聚会时间到啦请客请客请客 Dinner is on me. It's my treat. 请客吃饭吃饭吃饭 Have you eaten yet? 你吃饭了吗？聚会聚会聚会 Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you want to add in your DIY Chinese dictionary in a comment below. Goodbye.